Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add a custom hidden word in Threads on Android. Have you ever wanted to filter out certain words or phrases from your Threads conversations? Well, you're in luck because it's super easy to do. First, make sure you have the Threads app downloaded and are logged in. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Next, you'll see a globe icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Tap on that to open up your privacy settings. From there, you'll see an option for hidden words. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to a screen that shows any words or phrases that are currently hidden. To add a custom hidden word or phrase, scroll down to the Custom Words and Phrases section and tap on Manage Custom Words and Phrases. On the next screen, you'll see a list of any custom words or phrases you've already added. To add a new one, simply tap on the plus icon located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Type in the word or phrase you want to hide and tap Add. That's it. Now any messages containing that word or phrase will be hidden from your Threads conversations. To edit or delete a custom word or phrase, simply tap on the word or phrase in the list and make any necessary changes. It's important to note that this feature is only available for Threads conversations and not for your regular Facebook Messenger conversations. And that's all there is to it. Adding a custom hidden word in Threads on Android is a quick and easy way to filter out any unwanted content from your conversations. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.